The talks come just months before President Barack Obama's scheduled visit to India. U.S. officials say the talks here will be wide-ranging. Assistant Secretary of State Robert Blake.
Not so much what we've accomplished, but to look ahead about what we can accomplish, and particularly look ahead to the President's visit sometime this fall to India.
Under-Secretary of State William Burns recently returned from a trip to India. He lists what the two countries can achieve by working together.
An international system in which other democracies can flourish, human dignity is advanced, poverty is reduced, trade is expanded, our environment is preserved, violent extremists are marginalized, the spread of weapons of mass destruction is curbed, and new frontiers in science and technology are explored.
Both U.S. and Indian officials expect India to raise concerns that the U.S. is not pressing Pakistan hard enough to crack down on anti-Indian terror groups such as Lashkar-e-Toiba. India blames the group for the terrorist attack on Mumbai in 2008. Assistant Secretary Blake told reporters that Washington welcomes upcoming meetings that India and Pakistan have scheduled between their home ministers in June and foreign ministers in July. But he said Pakistan must do more to reduce the trust deficit between the two traditional rivals.
One of the most important obstacles to expansion of those relations is the continuing infiltration from Pakistan by Punjab-based groups such as Lashkar-e-Taiba and Jaish-e-Mohammed and others. And the United States has consistently called for greater action on the part of Pakistan to stop these the activities of these groups.
In New Delhi, Foreign Ministry spokesman Vishnu Prakash emphasized the talks in Washington will expand India's relations with the United States.
The strategic dialogue will enhance the global strategic partnership between India and the US by serving as a very important mechanism to review, enhance, and coordinate our broad-based cooperation.
A senior Indian official told VOA Krishna and Clinton will also discuss Iran. Robert Blake noted Foreign Minister Krishna's recent visit there.
I think the United States and India both share a concern about Iran's nuclear ambitions, and both of us are opposed to any kind of nuclear arms for Iran. And we understand the strategic consequences for both of us and particularly for the Gulf region were that to occur.
U.S. officials say considering India's expanding role in Asia and in the world, it is only natural for the U.S. to engage India on global issues concerning Asia, Africa, and the Middle East. Ravi Khanna, VOA News, Washington.